Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
What can you expect from a $40 video doorbell? That's what we wondered when Wyze announced the wired video doorbell V2. And thus far, we've been impressed. Installation was straightforward, but you will need an existing wired doorbell and chime. An included module attaches to the existing chime and works well. There's also a microSD card for 24/7 recording, and Wyze offers free 12-second recordings on doorbell presses in the cloud. If you have multiple Wyze cameras, a Cam Plus subscription can be worthwhile with full-length videos stored in the cloud for 2 weeks. Wyze has said issues with security vulnerabilities have been addressed. From our perspective, the company offers consumers some of the most affordable and capable smart home gear on the market.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at C. Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at Techstination.com.